Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we got an episode of True or False. Now, Xiaomi claims the Mi 10 Ultra can charge its battery from 0 to 100% in 23 minutes. So we're going to find out if that's true or false. So this is going to be a real simple and quick video. Now, we got the 120 watt fast charging brick. We're just going to plug this in. Okay? And we're going to start charging the phone. Now, the margin of error in this video is going to be plus or minus 3 minutes. So if it charges faster than 23 minutes, that's an automatic win. And if it takes an extra 3 minutes, we're not going to call that false. We got to give them a margin of error. So anything under 26 minutes, we're going to call this a true statement. All right, so here we go. Let's make sure this battery is completely dead. All right, 100% dead. We're going to plug it in. We're going to hit start. And here we go. Now, in the interest of time, I'm going to edit this video out. All right, so we're coming up on 3 minutes, and let me just say this. Now, I do have the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G. I plan on reviewing that this weekend, just in case y'all want to see that. All right, now, one of the other claims that Xiaomi made was this phone charges from 0 to 41% in 5 minutes. So, let's wait a little bit past 5 minutes and see where we at. Okay, right now, we're only up to 20%. Okay, so 0 to 41% in 5 minutes. That's looking like a false statement. Let's keep it moving. All right, now this is kind of exciting. We're coming up on 12 minutes. Let's see where we at. Okay, 12 minutes. We're up to 52%. All right, so 0 to 50 in under 12 minutes. That's pretty great. Let's keep it going. All right, now we're coming up on 18 minutes. Is this phone going to be faster than the previous champ, the Oppo Reno Ace? And that phone took 31 minutes to fully charge from 0 to 100, even though it only has a 4,000 milliamp battery. So this battery is a little bit bigger. Let's see. 18 minutes. Where we at? 79%. All right, 79% in 18 minutes. This is insane. All right, so here we go. We're going to wait till 23 minutes. All right, here we go. We're in the home stretch. Birdman hands rubbing together. I'm such a nerd. This shit is so exciting. I know, it's just a phone test. Calm down. Here we go. Here we go. My inner nerd is coming out. All right, 23 minutes. Let's see where we're going to be at. All right, 23 minutes. We're at 93%. All right, 93% and 23 minutes. That's still pretty insane. Now, like I said, the margin of error is going to be plus or minus 3 minutes. So we're going to go all the way up to 26 minutes, and we're going to stop the clock at exactly 26 minutes. All right, so we'll do a minute check. All right, from 23 minutes, we'll do a 1 minute check. All right, so here's 24 minutes. We're at 95%. All right, 95% at 24 minutes. All right, so here we go. 25 minutes. We're at 98%. All right, so this is still possible. If this is at 100% in 26 minutes, then that's going to be a true statement. Here we go. All right, y'all, here it is. This is it. We're going to stop the clock at exactly 26 minutes. We're at 98%. All right, so 98% after 26 minutes. So, what does that mean? True or false? That statement is false. It's not going to charge your phone from 0 to 100% in 23 minutes. All right, that statement is false. It's not going to charge your phone from 0 to 100% in 26 minutes. That statement is false. But let's see how long it takes to charge up to 100%. All right, so now it's on 97%. We're going to plug it back in. We'll hit start. Let's see how long it takes to go from 97% to 100%. We can do this live on camera. Let's see. All right, it's still charging a little bit slow, so we'll come back in. Okay, we're on 99%. Still waiting, waiting to crack 100. Can we do this in less than 30 minutes? That last 1% is always the longest. Come on, Xiaomi. 1%. You got 2 minutes to give us 1%. Now, of course, y'all know about fast charging. It always throttles down when the phone is almost fully charged. I just want to see that number break 100. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There it is. 100%, 28 minutes and 33 seconds. Right? So if you look closely, it's on 100% now. So let's pop it out, pop it back in. Let's do that one more time. 100%. So again, let's wrap this up. 0 to 40% in 5 minutes, that's false. 0 to 100% in 23 minutes, that's false. But 0 to 100% in less than 30 minutes, right? Less than 30 minutes, that's true. And that's amazing. Right? That is amazing. That makes this the fastest charging phone on the planet. Because before that, it was the Oppo Reno Ace. That phone charges from 0 to 100% in 31 minutes. And that has a 4,000 milliamp battery. This has a 4,500 milliamp battery and charges from 0 to 100% in less than 29 minutes. So Oppo, you just lost the crown. Xiaomi has the new fastest charging phone on the planet. Marketing department, y'all should just say charges from 0 to 100% in less than 30 minutes. Then nobody can prove you false. All right, 0 to 100% in less than 30 minutes. This is incredible. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. And like I said, this week, we're going to get into the Mi 10T Pro 5G. All right, we out of here.